Manalo ulit. Anong learnings nyo in the last 3 games na translate into way heavier mga play today?
Well, siguro kulang lang yung effort nung last 3 losses namin kasi kaya nga, yung sabi ko nga, hinihintay pa ng team na matambagan bago makahabol. Pero yun nga, everyday in practice, yung sabi namin, na kaya naman natin eh. As long as we always play our A game, it's just happened na same thing what happened here. Almost naman kami. So, yun, kailangan ng mga players na kaya naman pag we keep on competing, may chance talaga manalo. Then, nakita naman, mas gusto rin yung Togetex manalo, pero mas gusto namin. Just happen na mas gusto namin yung game.
Like Coach Ronald, we would like to open the floor to friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, heartbreak no more for tonight. Hindi na kayo heartbreak.
Sorry. Nagano po?
Hindi na kayo heartbreak.
Medyo ano pa rin, kasi we need to finish we need to finish strong, start strong and finish strong. So, win is a win, pero good thing na nakalagpas kami ngayon.
There was a time na parang ano na naman mabibitawan na naman yung game, but then apat kayo na press na grabe yung turnaround eh.
Well, the boys, the team, the players wanted more than Togetex. So, it's happened na, yun, kung sino naman may gusto ng game na yun, 50-50 yung chances manalo eh. So, itong gabing to, I think, mas gusto ng mga players. Kasi, for past 3 games, kaya eh. So, this one, pinatunayan nila kaya.
Wami, around mga 2 minutes ng overtime, it was 104-98. Then, top-to-top twist, triggered yung 4 straight twists na bitawan nila to steal the game from TNT.
Honestly, yung credit to my teammates lang yung tiwala na binigay nila sa akin. Whether I make mistakes or miss my shots, talagang yung encouragement nila sa akin, yung kumpiyansa nila sa akin, sobrang laking bagay. Especially after our last game against San Miguel, yung 2 crucial turnovers ko. Honestly, gusto ko lang mag-make up from that costly turnovers.
Okay rin na ngayon hindi kayo heartbreak, but this time malaki lamang yung magpikpang mawala sa inyo.
Laking bagay, sobra. I mean, just to boost our confidence kasi honestly, laking bagay rin na we weren't down coming into the 4th quarter. So, we just stayed with it. Yung encouragement namin sa isa't isa, nandun parati.
Coach, kung about lang yung maturity ninyo, kasi lamang na kayo rin yung 4th quarter na nawala, pero na-maintain na naman yung composite, yung eventually nanalo kayo.
Well, learning pa rin yan. Learnings pa rin sa mga players, even sa coaches. So, we just have to play our A game every time. Mahirap mag-relax eh. All of the teams are pretty strong. So, kailangan mag-start sa sarili namin na from start ng whistle hanggang matapos. Yung pace ng game, tsaka yung eagerness namin sa depensa. Yung concept namin sa depensa sa opensa ng team, yun yung mahalaga. Tsaka willing to sacrifice for the sake of the team na manalo.
Coach, isa rin sa maganda nilalaro so far sa team si Maverick. Ano tingin mo nagbago sa iba this conference?
Well, last time kasi, last conference, parang kumbaga, kapaan season pala tsaka hindi pa siya ganoon ka-healthy. Then parang ngayon, in-embrace niya na yung as a leader. Sila ni Mami, mga veterans namin, tsaka yun lang, it starts in practice. I know those guys sa practice, makikita mo capable eh. So that's why sa game makikita mo.
Coach mo si Gio, may
I think nag-cramps yata si Gio. The good thing naman na nag-step up naman kung sino pinasok ng coaches. Yun naman ang team namin next man up every time.
Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to the Dare of Good News.
10-20 na.